The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated to the nation and laid the foundation stone for various development projects worth about 7,000 crore rupees in Chittorgarh, Rajasthan. Prime Minister dedicated Mehsana Bhatinda Gurdaspur gas pipeline, which has been built at a cost of about 4,500 crores rupees. The railway projects were dedicated to the nation by the Prime Minister, including the projects involving doubling of Chittorgarh-Nimoj railway line and Kota-Chittorgarh electrified railway line.
पूज्य बापू स्वच्छता, स्वावलंबन और सर्वस्पर्शी विकास के बहुत आग्रही थे। बीते 9 वर्षों में बापू के इन्हीं मूल्यों को देश ने बहुत अधिक विस्तार दिया है। आज चित्तौड़गढ़ में 7,200 करोड़ रुपए के जिन प्रोजेक्ट का शुभारंभ हुआ है, उसमें भी इसका प्रतिबिंब है।
Department of Urban